Hi everyone, I'm Lisha, and today I'm gonna introduce you the new sofa tables. This table has C-type and it is made in minimalism style, which can easily fit your room. The top of the table is made of saddle leather. Here are a lot of stitches. Also, this type of saddle leather is much better than MDF wood. You can put this table in front of your sofa or beside your sofa. Actually, you can easily reach out your cup of coffee and have a nice morning. If your sofa is relatively long, or if there are several people sitting on it, you can purchase this central table along with it. They will complement your sofa perfectly. These sofa tables have two colors. The first one is orange color and the second one is gray color. And both of them really matches this perfect table.